sa Dubai! Buti na lang may swimming pool at pwede mag-night swimming! At alam ko, mas mainit sa Pilipinas ngayon. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo?
It's time for swimming!
Sabi ko naman sa inyo, lahat ng units namin may swimming pool! We're going to give you still the elegance that you deserve, the luxury, plus the swimming pool! We have Makati Lush Residences with swimming pool! Luxury units, elegant. We have Lush Residences, L Lashley Inn. We have Shore 2, Tower 1. Meron din kaming Shore 2, Tower 3. Ating walking distance sa MOA at Shore 2, Tower 1, El Lasha 2. Isa ding luxurious, elegant unit at merong swimming pool. At syempre, ang Shore Residences, connected lahat ng swimming pool. Kaya maraming options. At kapag nakabook kayo sa unit namin, lahat yon pwede nyong gamitin. At meron kaming Shore 2, Towers 3. Isa-isahin natin yan. Meron tayo dyang La Vida Brisa from yours truly. At meron din tayong La Casa de Maria. At meron tayong Lavel Maison Unit. Lahat yan ay malapit at walking distance to MOA. At kapag napagod na kayo mag-swimming or kung gusto nyo naman ay night swimming, syempre pwede pa kayong maggala sa mall, magpalamig, mag-aircon. And we have also in S Residences, the El Marhavilla Crib. Another luxury, elegant unit from La Vida Staycation. Lahat yan ay walking distance. Yang 4 na yan, walking distance to MOA. At meron din tayo, kung meron kayong event sa PICC or kung gusto nyo naman mag-Star City, meron tayong La Coast 25. Yan naman ay sa Coast Residences. At pwede din yan, walking distance din yan sa metro stations. Hindi pala kita yung metro. LRT Buendia Station. At lahat yan ay may pool package. Meron din tayo sa sukat. Kung kayo naman ay papunta sa airport, kung gusto nyo lang ng transit, meron tayong field residences. Ang La Vida Hermosa. And lastly, Azure North Pampanga. Pag sinabing Pampanga, Azure, swimming to the max. Lahat yan ay 2,600 direct booking, 2,600 free swimming pool for 2. This is just a promotion for this Holy Week. Limited offer lang for this Holy Week. At kapag may extra guests, more than 2 ay plus 400. O diba, nakatipid ka na, relaxing, enjoying sa city. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Swimming na!